Hey there, developers. Welcome back to day 2 of our Python journey. In the last episode of our Python series, we saw why Python is important in 2024 and how easy it is for anyone to learn. Today, we're going to dive into something super important, setting up your Python environment. And of course, I've got Bren with me to make things a bit more hands-on.
Hey folks! Setting up your environment might sound a bit techy, but trust me, we'll make it smooth and easy. Let's get your system ready for some Python magic.
Absolutely. Let's start by installing Python itself. Bren, take it away.
All right, so the first step is to head over to python.org. Once you're on the site, look for the Download section. Python will automatically suggest the best version for your operating system, whether it's Mac, Windows, or Linux. Click the Download button, and once it's downloaded, follow these steps. Click Continue to move through the installer. You'll see the README section. Just click Continue again. Next, you'll have the license agreement. Take a moment to review it, then click Continue and hit Agree. You'll be asked where to install Python. If you're okay with the default location, click Install. You can also change the location if needed. Enter your machine's password and click Install. The installation will now begin. And that's it. The Python package is successfully installed on your computer. Pretty straightforward, right?
Yep, with Python installed, it's time to get an IDE.
Maya, why don't you share why IDEs are such a big deal?
Sure thing. IDEs, or Integrated Development Environments, are like your coding workspace, providing all the tools you need to write, run, and debug Python code efficiently. My current favorite is Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, because it's lightweight, customizable, and perfect for developers of all levels. And who knows? In the near future, we might even see an AI-powered IDE from GoCodeo that takes coding productivity to a whole new level.
Oh, did you just give that out? Haha. Okay, now let us go ahead and install VS Code. Head to code, visualstudio.com. Download it and just run through the installer like I am showing here. It's pretty intuitive. Once you've got it up and running, there's one more thing you definitely want: extensions.
That's right. Extensions really supercharge VS Code. And of course, we can't forget the GoCodeo extension. It'll help you generate AI-powered unit tests, making your coding life a whole lot easier.
Let me show you how to grab that. So, once you have VS Code open, you'll see this little square icon on the left. That's the Extensions tab. Click on it, and in the search bar, type GoCodeo. Once it pops up, hit Install. Easy peasy.
And just like that, you've got an assistant right inside your IDE, helping you write better code. All right, next up, virtual environments.
Absolutely. So, virtual environments keep your projects organized. If you're working on multiple Python projects, they make sure that each project has its own dependencies. That way, you don't get into that infamous "it works on my machine" scenario.
Oh yes, that one. So, to create a virtual environment, just open your terminal. You can do that right inside VS Code by pressing Ctrl+J on Mac. Then type in Python, mvenv, where env is just the name of your environment folder. You can name it whatever you like.
Once that's done, you'll need to activate it. On Windows, it's Maya's scripts I activate, and on Mac or Linux, it's source Maya bin activate. You'll know it's activated because you'll see the environment name in parentheses at the beginning of your terminal line.
Now you're set up to start coding without worrying about messing up your system Python. And with VS Code and GoCodeo, you'll have a seamless environment to build, test, and explore. And if you get stuck at any point, just drop us a comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for joining us today, everyone. Hit that like button if this was helpful, and subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
It's going to be a blast. See you next time.